na marama toro ngone leo wiki to bakira mata ni kuwa. Sabe ke mlera ngone pa ko ni binakar budi kelas bitorongi na year 12. Ar samai bakata baris kono bitorongi lebu na to kabuni na year 13. Kabunga beira bida na video leleka na mona liba. Sa rabi tala sigura bi moko rabi taki. Ar sandui bi ngoi to ya kiani. Na non tiko. En kira may pata party kina bitarong lebu na fomu bitu. Era bida na singa sauti.
Naman din nila tatunga well good morning to Billy Sinolo and Simeli Sinolo.
Okay.
From Wainalo Kalebu Kobolau. At may saki may bisoto lobo niya bolau joining from Sigatoka Jao Bian Sabere Iwalas Western Karoyarna.
Kam Karo.
Western.
All right.
Thank you very much, and also to everybody joining this morning, even though it's a tough morning for us.
Right.
Because we wake up, it's rainy, it's wet, and it's a very good morning. That we are happy enough to be part of this morning. Some of us, the family, some of us now, the family, they are not wake up properly because somebody maybe passed away, or somebody they all wake up and someone left, he didn't wake up. Maybe they check them.
You want to wake up or want to sleep?
I want to wake up, please.
Okay, some places around the country facing power outage now.
Right.
This morning, and we're going to power trip back at Matakarikua.
Right.
On which was social makir no kanda manesa sabara. Kaya ko rochi ba ng talibon ni Bekoyaki. And ram bulu binaka matabinak na bitulungon ni Sala na binakaro TJ.
Right.
Yeah.
LM49. Boleh nak tengah be bil laisi India. Be vini na veli na ita andra nak serre yang pakin dilea. Boleh ni nak tian ni be pati vuki. Andra nak sem sarcikan ko nambuda. My Wailebu. Boleh ni nak tian ni. John Kumar.
Hey, ano nak say?
Bula.
Thank you.
Valley Road in Singa Tokyo. Tuning in this morning.
Ano nak mitabi uni. Ano nak nonton banua. Ano nak kada bulang in hotel ni bulang sar banua.
Right.
Ano tak bulan ni hotel ni bulang sar banua. Ni siapa cuma mai? Ano mata kari nonton outs palang ni kuah.
Okay. To all the mothers. Thank you to the parents and guardian for supporting our children for the year 12. For their examination starting from yesterday. Thank you very much. Thank you to the Form 7 to the year 18. And not forgetting the younger ones. They prepare for some of them. They're sitting their annual examination too. Thank you very much for the support for us parents for supporting them because they are the one we are supporting the world right now.
Dalam namin ko Sinai, they're tuning in Den Vacavere, tuning all the way from Sinai this morning, and also si Terry Marama from American Samoa, Talofalava. And Ravenaka, Sam Sarchigani, and Amitako, William and Nadavu, and Ravenak.
Well, good morning to all the people are joining from the Yanenu Totoka, my Cyprus. May Cyprus. I don't know. My Cyprus. Lini matebo limbola tangane bengrabi tukinene no Cyprus. Alolo mami imbitu yan yo Chocho Wuki. And the family joining this morning.
Right.
Okay, di ko abo mo sa chikin dito talo ni ko to na focus mo na kato abitalo kin na poso ito kaya sa uchi. Na nature. Na bika erambulo politikenda.
Right.
Nature usually sometimes they tell us what's going to happen in the future.
Yes.
Right. It's like prophesy.
Ayo, guys, so do bakit hindi kira santi sino do ira sini kilaw ira.
Iya.
Era connecta ka kata na ito mo ya.
Right.
Bata kinakasim bernyado.
Yeah.
Okay.
No nasemata.
No nasemata na itu okay. Ton liu juga na buli dang lamba.
All right.
The V. Before the V, I would like to the Mabileko from not forgetting the Mbul Macau Koyau. The company Mbul Macau. Oh, they're preparing themselves. The Katuko Nambay Nimbul Macau.
Alright.
Ngong ay dari. Ndo bulu na kotiki nga koi. Mabileko ba ni binaka ng Garabi. Kada siniko abe kapu. Na bubale.
Tell us about the V.
Natural is a man fella who you going to survive. If you need to survive, study natural.
Natural?
Iya, nabi kambula.
Natural water.
Apa?
Natural water.
Natural water na wai.
Yeah.
If you need to survive in this world, you have to understand the natural, the ecosystem.
Okay. Carry on.
The ecosystem.
Ecosystem.
The environment.
What is ecosystem?
Ecosystem is the geography in the history of the subject in the classroom.
Okay.
Ecosystem is surrounding.
Okay.
Surrounding.
Compound.
You have to know the compound while cutting grass.
Yeah. John Kumar fully laughing.
John Kumar, thank you.
John Kumar is the ecosystem.
John Kumar is an ecosystem.
Right, yeah.
Before ecosystem coming as a natural form, he was a John Kumar.
Okay, carry on about the bee.
The bees, whenever any cyclone or hurricane come, the bee, the antenna of the bee, the natural body, can feel the ecosystem. The natural is coming. See, you can see by proven. This is a proven. Now every month, absent from the natural from the November to April, that month, the bees used to hang in their house on top.
On the tree branch.
Right.
On the tree branch.
May, June, July, August, September, October.
When it comes to November to April,
Hurricane season.
they coming underground, down in the soil.
Oi.
So, when you are cutting grass, be prepared and be helpful.
Right.
You be careful of the bees.
Right.
Some of us,
Wear liku. Wear liku when you cut the grass on
please,
November.
if you wear liku,
Be careful.
don't tell me suli nuni loma. Asin gabi na katina tights. Apa kusar nga.
How about if you go in new, where they always make their houses under the new branch, coconut branch? The long and new.
No, that's too up.
No, down. The one that is
the bara. Yeah, be careful of them.
Small bara.
If you are not yet pregnant, you're pregnant.
Why?
Because of the bees, they eat. They spin your body. You're gonna gain weight.
All of a sudden.
Because they are very different one. And this is the point where you have to be study the natural ecosystem.
Totok.
Very smart guy.
Natural. When you see the myna, the myna is singing.
Myna bird.
The myna bird
What does it
is
say?
singing. That means it's morning.
Oh, okay.
When you heard the chicken, the rooster,
Kitchen.
in the morning, they show it's a morning.
Yeah.
So when again in the daylight, they cuckoo.
Some of us now use our wake up time on the alarm, on our phone,
Right.
Before senga, toa.
So toa. When the daytime like this, why the daylight the rooster crying again?
Daylight saving.
That's because it's waka or materuku. The waves going back.
Oh, that one?
The waves. We call it the materuku or waka.
Right.
English.
That's our vocational.
Okay, let's move on.
Right.
Okay. Maka di sando laki kabina benua afternoon and you can see the what is going on.
Ketika tinimbi na lomalang.
Ketika tinimbi na lomalang.
That's mean when the sunlight is gaining weight.
Right.
It's gaining weight and spectacle the moonlight.
All right.
So moonlight they alkaline.
What is ketinimbi in English?
Ketika tinimbi is when catalyst. Catalyst business. Nambidi ng business nakete na catalyst.
Okay, dongo.
Mai.
No do batachi itu kina no pula. Tapa do parita kaya.
That means somebody is naked.
Naked where? Using the wool.
Using the wool as a mirror.
That's my job number.
Somebody without clothes and standing alone somewhere, don't know himself. Commette shoot and dombula, chito lutu.
Kaya mata cik itu segala betul.
Iya, kayak masih tati ke sile betul. Baru saya berita ke satu ginangon.
Hey.
Bila balik Punjas brought to you by Punjas out to Palagi this morning, 7:46. That means it's 16:02, 8 this morning. It's 13 November. We welcome you again in the morning of the Wednesday morning. It's 13:11:24.
Hey.
Yan naman na kamay lamini may som-som may interview ni. To yan ramen naka, timbura ka na yaban.
Iyo, masu.
Ela na marama na balib sarna siya mutumay LJ Vindiri. Yan ramen naka sangka ilasa din. Meli na lebu, ono ni binaka tani bi. Wati soni na Tony, ono ni binaka ng garabita. Viva tiri sa dona kano nan rendre. Kalau kata namu ni bito kani na mataka ni. Gono Palagi show. Do bibi kan ndri tunga ha, ba bibi so bi kada dar rabe mataka. Do tare kada tunan bibi ni dola. So be kai siwera nungu ni.
Kangar binandro bagi go.
Iyo, stawi tunan rendre ni bulli male. Binandro bagi bak mata kamera ni nro bak binaka kina. Na itabi na nonda bibi male.
Pinabale musar na ni siya matiko na matani kuha. Na opedile mas satu mango.
Mata ka rin nama ka man, mati rin una tortor kinon demis.
Oh, ringkir ko na iya. Ndua tani, ano kay talo tawi ke muni, ngo tigibutu ko ndone tormu.
Oh iya.
Tali sumene tol nambalu.
Iyo. Ano
ni binaka na muni ben karabi.
Ano mo tigo mo ni seling itado.
Selitado me.
Umi ka galo pula.